Sally! Sally! Crispy!
Hello and welcome to, we're in Limekilns today on the south coast of Fife, here on the 4th estuary. And it's not a bad morning, there's no wind. So just off in the distance there, you probably can't see it, that's Grangemouth, the oil refinery, and then we've got the lovely beach and the nice village of Limekilns. We bought the dog today. We've got the Lou Bugs.
Hey.
We've got the Louie. Hey? We're going to explore Limekilns, history of this place, and we'll get some breakfast.
We'll try and get him to do zimmies. Are you doing the water?
Yeah.
You can't go in.
What's up here? Should we go up here? What's up this way? Come. Come to Dad.
Sally. Sally.
Come to Dada. What's here then? Yeah, be careful with him here. Looks like there's a ferry that goes from here. Probably in the summer. There is writing on these, but can't quite see it. It's covered in sand. What a gorgeous morning. So just to give you the geography of the place, that's all the Forth bridges over there. Dunfermline's probably a couple of miles that way. Edinburgh and the Pentland Hills across the water over there. And somewhere along here is Blackness Castle. There.
Dada.
Right, we're gonna get some breakfast.
Why?
Yeah, we're gonna find a place to get breakfast now. You hungry?
I'm starving.
Okay. You take away. Ice cream.
What are you gonna have?
What are you gonna have on the menu?
Cheese. Yeah.
Oh, they do nice scones, don't they, Lou?
Like cake.
What, the cake?
These are dog treats.
What are dog lick pads?
So you put like yogurt or
on the pads there,
or like peanut butter.
yeah. I see. You're hungry. You're hungry.
Hungry.
I'm hungry. It's obviously a dog-friendly place, isn't it? Because look at all the dogs that have come in.
Oh, the doggies.
Oh no, one's fallen on the ground.
Oh, wow.
These tiles are like our tiles at home. Similar. Nice ceiling up in here. What have you got there, Louis? Is that a baby chino?
Eat your marshmallows. Pick it out. Look.
Louis's got a baby chino with marshmallows. Yeah. They're good. Oh,
Watch. Do you want to drink it?
well, it was busy in there.
Bag's gonna stink.
Busy in there. So we couldn't sit down, but we've got the goods. And we're gonna go eat in the car, aren't we? It's more our style anyway. Eh? It was so busy in there that we decided to do takeaway, which is more our style. So I got sausage, bacon and egg with ketchup and a coffee. Let's have a look at that. Ooh, and it's steamy.
Nice.
Nice! It is nice.
No, look at him.
Oh, yeah. How's your roll, Hannah?
Really good.
That was insanely messy, but very good at the same time.
Worth it.
Worth it. Not a bad place to eat breakfast either.
Just some haggis, Louis.
No,
No, okay.
We're gonna go home now.
Mama.
We're gonna go home. Just a short video today, folks. Isn't that right, Hannah? We'll head on home now. But what a gorgeous day to come down to Limekilns.
It's very nice. Thank you.
Cold, but nice. And we'll see you in the next one.